Today we will talk about what happens when you drink honey and apple cider vinegar in the morning, so we hope you watch this video carefully until the end to know everything properly. Raw honey and apple cider vinegar are wonderful for your health if used alone. Raw honey has antibacterial and anti-microbial properties, is full of phytonutrients, helps digestive problems, soothes a sore throat, and can heal wounds. Apple cider vinegar can promote healthy weight loss, cholesterol and blood sugar, contains antioxidants, helps with digestive issues, and improves nutrient uptake. So, just imagine the benefits of using these two powerhouses together. Health benefits of honey and apple cider vinegar mix: improves joint health and reduces pain and inflammation, promotes weight loss, improves digestive health, increases energy, reduces high blood pressure and high cholesterol, improves the condition of the skin, reduces inflammation, reduces bad breath. Why it works. The chemical properties of apple cider vinegar and honey, and the way they interact with the body is the key reason these two substances work so well together. Many health professionals believe that the reason we get ill is because our bodies are too acidic, a pH below 7. Of course, apple cider vinegar is acidic, but when ingested into the body, it becomes alkaline. That has a low pH too, but becomes alkaline when ingested. Our bodies perform their best when the pH is 7.4, and the two working together can abolish excess acidity in the body and make us healthier. How to make this amazing elixir? Apple cider vinegar and honey that has not been processed still contained all their wonderful healing properties. So, be sure to only use honey that is raw, and preferably organic, and apple cider vinegar that has the mother, also preferably organic. Mix together 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. If you can tolerate the taste, increase the dosage to up to 1 tablespoon. 8 ounces warm water. You may struggle a bit with the taste at first, but give it a chance to work its magic, and you won't want to stop drinking it. When to drink it? The mixture works best if you drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink it at least 20 to 30 minutes before you eat breakfast. Stay consistent and drink it every day for best results. You can drink it 2 or 3 times a day, but it's best to start slow and increase gradually to see how your body tolerates it. But keep in mind that high consumption of apple cider vinegar may cause low potassium levels in the body that can lead to bone density loss. If you are taking medication on a regular basis, always consult with your primary care physician before taking this elixir. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe us, because we post health benefit related video every single day. If you have a request for a video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.